Welcome back to BA Media. I am excited to share an incredible opportunity with you that combines your love for music with potential to earn money. Imagine being able to make cash simply by listening to your favorite songs. With this platform, you have the chance to turn your passion for music into a rewarding financial endeavor. By simply listening to a single song, you can earn $6. If you listen to two songs, your earning will be double to $12. Continuing this pattern, listening to 12 songs will result in a total of $120 and so on. I have already generated over $800 using this platform by repeatedly listening to music. To begin, the initial step is to navigate to the search bar and enter the website's name, jamendo.com. This particular website will serve as a platform for our endeavor. Simply click on the first link that appears, leading you to the corresponding page. Once there, locate and click on the designated box on the left side labeled Start. This action will take you to the home page of the website where you'll find a vast collection of music tracks spanning various genres, all of which are copyright-free. In a moment, I will demonstrate how you can listen to these music tracks and generate income from doing so. Here, I have included payment proofs from individuals who have successfully made money through this method on a daily basis. For instance, one person recently earned $25 while another generated $34 using this approach. Rest assured, by following the step I will outline, you too can enjoy listening to these incredible music tracks while simultaneously earning money. One individual managed to earn a total of $21 using this method, and the list of successful earnings continues indefinitely. There are countless individuals numbering the hundreds and thousands who are making money with the website on a daily basis. Prepare your computer or smartphone because I'm about to reveal some exclusive tricks that will help you maximize your earnings. However, before diving into the strategies, let's begin by creating your free account on the website. To get started, simply click on the Login button and then select on the option to sign up, which can be found at the bottom of the page. From there, you have two options. Either sign up using your email and password or conveniently using your Facebook or Google account for a seamless registration process. Once you have successfully logged in, your account interface will display your name and profile picture. As you scroll down to the page, you will come across some trending music tracks that the website recommends. However, these particular songs are not crucial for our money-making process. Instead, focus on the songs located at the top of the page as they are the ones that will generate income for us. To access all the songs available on the website, click on More button. If you prefer a more convenient option, you can also download the website application, which is accessible on both Google Play and App Store. However, using the website itself is completely viable. Rest assured that the website functions worldwide, ensuring that today's method will work for you regardless of your location. Now let's move forward, and I kindly request your attention for this first tip. Click on the All Genres option to proceed. Now you have the option to select the various genres available on the website. Personally, I recommend the pop genre as it tends to offer greater potential for earning money. Simply choose the pop genre from the list provided. Next, ensure that all countries option is selected and leave the other options as is. This will allow you to explore hundreds and thousands of music tracks within the pop genre. If you perform a quick search on Google, you will find that the pop genre is ranked number 1 worldwide, further validating its popularity. Each of these songs has the potential to earn you approximately $6 repeatedly. Our task is simple. Listen to some of the songs and then download them. Don't worry, I will guide you through the process and make it incredibly easy, even for beginners who have never made money online before. I will now demonstrate how you will get paid simply by listening to and downloading the songs. However, before we proceed, it's essential to download some quality songs. Although there are thousands of songs available on the website, we don't need to listen to or download all of them. Instead, we will focus on the best songs. Scrolling down the page, you will find a vast selection of songs. Let's start with the first song listed here. To begin listening, click the play button and the song will start playing. You don't have to listen to the entire song. After a few seconds, if you think it's a good song, you can proceed to download it. Simply click on download icon and select the option for free download. The song will then start downloading. In case the first song doesn't meet your expectation, don't worry, simply try another one and repeat the process until you find a song that you genuinely like. It's crucial to choose songs that resonate with your personal taste rather than randomly selecting them. For instance, I found a song that I liked and downloaded it into my computer to demonstrate how to make money with it. You can do the same. Before we move on to the next step, please ensure that you subscribe if you haven't already done so. Additionally, let me know which country you are from. Remember, the more songs you download, the more money you can potentially make. Now, let's proceed to the next step, which involves using a website called 3upload.com to monetize our downloaded songs. Now, I want to emphasize the importance of paying close attention to ensure you follow the process correctly. As you can see, I have already earned over $800 myself using this method, and I am on track to reach $1,000 soon. So let's dive into how this works by exploring the homepage of the website. Essentially, this website allows us to earn money by sharing our music files. As indicated on the website, you can upload and share various types of files, including image, videos, songs, and more. In our case, we will focus on uploading music files. I already have the song ready that I had downloaded from Jamendo. It's worth noting that this website is completely free and you don't need to spend a single penny. Once you upload your song to the website, they will provide you with a link that contains your song. Your task will be to direct people to that link, encouraging them to download and listen to the song. Whenever someone left that, you will earn $6. I will guide you through the process of achieving this, including how to drive hundreds of people to your link without the need for a large social media following or any other special requirements. If you click on Make Money section, you will find more detailed information about how you will be paid. For example, you'll notice that downloads from Tier 1 countries have a significant impact on your earnings. Remember to follow along closely as I demonstrate the precise steps to ensure your success with this method. You have the potential to earn $7 for downloads from Tier 1 countries, which includes the United States, Canada, and Brazil. For downloads from Tier 2 countries, you will earn $6, and for the Tier 3 and Tier 4 countries, you will earn $5. The website offers multiple payment methods such as Bitcoin, PayPal, Perfect Money, and Pioneer. It's worth noting that the minimum withdrawal amount is only $1, allowing you to start withdrawing your earnings from your first day. Additionally, you can increase your earnings through referrals by inviting more people to the website. However, we will focus on that topic in another video. To provide you with a real-life example of how to make money with your music track on this website, you will need to create an account. To do so, simply click on Sign Up and fill up the required information, such as your username, email, and password. It's recommended to select PayPal as your payment method. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can easily create a free one. After signing up, verify your email and log into your account. Click on Upload Files to learn how to upload your songs and start earning money from them. In my case, I already have a song that I downloaded from the previous website, which I will use as an example. Make sure you have your song ready to upload as well. On the upload page, you'll find a various options but only need to focus on one. Select that option and click on the blue box labeled Browse Files. Choose the song you want to upload from your device. Once selected, click Start Upload. The upload process will depend on the speed of your internet connection. Once it's finished, you'll see the link generated for your song. Copy this link and share it with people so that they can download the song. Remember, don't expect significant earnings from just one song. You'll need to repeat this method with multiple songs to maximize your earnings. Now, let's discuss how to drive traffic and get people to download songs from your link. It's not complicated at all. One simple approach is to utilize Facebook. Search for Facebook groups related to music and engage with people there. Let them know about your link and the songs you have available. This can be an effective way to generate interest and downloads. So there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to making money by sharing and promoting your music tracks. You can also watch the suggested video for additional methods to explore for making money online. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be updated for a new money-making opportunity. I'll see you on the next video.